Okay, so some more water catchment stuff happening here today. So I had the one tank here, and then I had the other tank a little lower down, not connected to this one here. So now I've set up a little system here where you can see these two tanks are now connected via this pipe. So the way I've got it set up, I'll show you. I'm going to see if it works, but we obviously, the main valve to let the water out of the tank comes into this section where we have a stopper valve which we can shut it off from going to the second tank, but then we can also drain it from this tap. So we can individually drain this tank without affecting the other tank. But if this is open, it'll go along here, up the other side, and we have the same situation over here. So I've got a shut-off valve here to isolate this tank, and then another tap here so we can drain this tank separately. So, you know, just in case you needed to do something with each tank. And then, so what we're going to do now, I have not seen if this works yet, but what you can see is we've got water in this tank and no water in this tank. The reason I've kind of connected these is because the submersion pump fitted into the hole on the top of that tank, and I could drop it in and then irrigate everything. And then I went to put the pump into this one once that one had ran out, and the hole's too small, so it's a different size, so I can't fit the pump in. So that's why I've connected the two tanks. So hopefully once I open this valve, this will sync and equalize with the other tank. So they should be, yeah, we'll see what happens anyway. And then when we fill them up, they should fill up at the same time. So we're going to open these valves to connect the tanks. Oh, and also I've just put a drain tap on the bottom here. So if I want to drain this section of piping in the winter, I can just drain that out. All right, let's see what happens. They're open, that's open. Let's open this. Okay, we've got some water moving. I need to open this tank as well. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see what happens here. Might do a time-lapse video. All right, pretty stoked how that went. They're now equalized. They've both got the same amount of water in, just above that line there. And then here. So pretty stoked. I had 2 leaks. One was just not enough Teflon tape on this little tap, and the other one was this joint here. I'd forgotten to put some of the glue on it, so one little leak there. So I fixed those, and yeah, stoked. That worked really well. Cool. Next project.